Hey guys, Damon Hunt with Hunt Forex trading levels. Fibs are working really good lately. We still never got a fantastic retrace there. We actually haven't even closed the gap for the weekend. But I just want to show you some fib interaction here. We got a little cute fib here, good reaction off it. Still double tests it, which is a little annoying, but that's fine. I just like seeing that levels are working and it can build some structure. I like that kind of action. The little first fib of the day worked really well. It was confluence with the H3. That's a trade for the Asian session. Um, we're above pivot on Euro and Gold, which is nice for a retrace or for an up move here. We hit most of the levels that I liked yesterday, Sunday. But you see how it hit last night? I had no structure on it. Frickin' frack is all I have to say about that. And this break breathe here was disgusting. It was really deep and time wise. Anyway, it was ugly. It was really ugly. I wanted to take it up, but I just didn't really have any magical moment there to take it up. Let's look in the bigger time frames, see what's going on. The daily, we got a bit of a needle, which is just saying that this is a tough level, which it is, but there's still levels lower, which I think SIVE covers. At this point, I think I'd try to sell at 2160, which isn't much higher. It's a close of the gap, and it's this swing low. But it might be a trap, so at this level, because we've hit such massive levels, the way it's slowly, slowly moving down here, that when it does go, it might be go time, like up. So I just want to watch that I don't get too, I've had so little trades lately that it's really difficult for me not to really want to trade. I mean, God, I've had just very little setups. This is still not breathed on. There's no possible entry for me in these last moves. This whipsaw I get taken out of, and then when it actually does move, there's no entry. So it's my patience is being tested, which is unusual because I have I thought a fairly unlimited patience. Anyway, sorry, I just want to see what this says. Oh, I love that. I'm just going to set this up for myself as a long-term trade, even though it's on the 1 hour chart. Still a nice trade for me there. I love that. So anytime, unless it makes lower lows, then I get rid of it, right? So you can see my big level here that I'm still watching. I think SIVE has one lower at 20. Maybe it's this one at 2015. Anyway, my lowest down here is at, I think, 40, right? Yeah, 2040. Does that line up with anything tonight? Yeah, an L5. So I like that. I need to see some daily structure that, some intraday structure that lines up with that too. I got one in the L4 too. But with such a massive level right below it, I would not take that. And that's our fib there. This might be one of those little cute break breathe nights where it doesn't actually hit any levels, retests the level that's already been tested and does a break breathe kind of thing. Anyway, this has been just the name of the game lately. Huge monster setups that don't get triggered. So I'd like to see one of these things trigger. That would make me happy. Really happy. I just want to see if I can remember what Sive's thing was. Was it in the daily? Was it this butterfly? Might have been this butterfly. Let me check that out. Oh yeah, the 1618 extension on the butterfly. That's right. That's at 20. Yeah, 2003 exactly. About 1.20. So that would be through the 5 tonight. In the daily, that's not quite overbought, but it's freaking close. Really close to overbought. Oversold. Sorry, oversold on the daily. So that would be nice, but I'd like to try and ride this puppy. Man, I got really nothing for you tonight. Jesus. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to do a video every night. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video when something sets up, because this is driving me crazy and I don't have enough people watching my videos who want to learn my system, basically, that it makes any sense for me to do a video of me talking to myself and there's no trade. It's just been so many times. It's amazing because right before I started doing the videos, it was just trade after trade after trade. It was just millions of them everywhere. There was a lot. There was too many trades, and now I've run into this huge thingamajigger. Yeah, this huge. Sorry, I was reading an email. Anyway, I've just run into this massive area of just no structure, no trade setup. I could go into all these. Basically, it's not the system that I know is not being triggered or used, or I don't know what it is. I mean, I don't know how these people are getting in unless they're just momentum players, and momentum players that I know of can't survive markets. So where are these guys coming from who are trading this? Or maybe it's just tiny intraday traders, because there has been intradays that I miss because I'm only here for the Euro session. So maybe that's what's going on. Anyway, whatever it is, I'm not getting what I need and what I usually get to do my usual trading. So maybe if I say I'm not going to do daily videos, maybe every day there will be a setup and I'll be doing daily videos. Let's just play it that way. Anyway, I'll be back with a video when I see something beautiful. See you later.